are the fuse boxes in the 2023 GMC Sierra1500, and why is the diagram useful? The fuse boxes are under the hood and inside the cabin. The diagram helps identify fuses, ensuring easy maintenance and preventing electrical issues. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 GMC Sierra1500 houses fuses that protect key engine and electrical systems. It includes clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and maintenance, and its durable cover safeguards the fuses from dust and moisture. It also supports critical components like the engine control, lights, and cooling systems. Instrument panel fuse block, left. The instrument panel fuse block, left, in the 2023 GMC Sierra1500 manages the vehicle's interior electrical systems, including lights, power windows, and infotainment. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and replacement. The fuse block is conveniently located for quick access to maintain interior components. Instrument panel fuse block, right. The instrument panel fuse block, right, in the 2023 GMC Sierra1500 controls electrical functions related to the passenger side, such as seat adjustments and lighting. It features easily accessible, clearly labeled fuses for quick identification and maintenance. The block is well protected behind a panel to safeguard against dust and damage.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.